Weather alert and tornado warning for parts of Nassau and Duval counties until 11:15 at First Coast Nesson 12 ABC 25 to YouTube.
Yeah, you need to take shelter right now because this tornado warning will expire by 11:15 for central Nassau County and north central Duval County until 11:15. So let's put on the radar in motion right now because we can see a a cell that is moving in the tornado, and the severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Oceanway or near Jacksonville International Airport, moving northwest at 60. There will be torrential rainfall in the area. On the left, you see the camera there. That I-90, that's Airport Road at near I-95 interchange, and this is right near Jacksonville. For anybody near 301, US 1, or 999 Plant vs. Zombies, I-95 the corridor or the Jacksonville International Airport corridor must take shelter right now because this that I'm watching here, that localized protection cell that is moving further near the beach. But it's already 11 o'clock. This thing, turn it on. Alright. Okay. Live look at the interchange. Let me zoom in out. Let me zoom in out of the way. Yeah, you can see tropical storm Nicole right there. And you can see that red polygon that there. That's a tornado one. Our area is completely fine, but we're still dealing with that windy and cloudy conditions in that spot. But there goes I'm sorry, not hurricane, but tropical storm Nicole that was downgraded into a tropical. Let me zoom back. Tropical storm, and watching here, there goes more cars are coming on Airport Road. So Nicole is moving those rain bands, including that protection cell. Will get off the Jackson near the I-95 corridor. Still doing that. Those rain bands over Jacksonville. There, according to my calculations, there's actually a tornado watch that is in effect until 1 o'clock. But Jacksonville is actually breezy out there. So that's what there. Yeah, according to my calculations, there's a tornado watch in effect. That's why you can't see on Fox Weather. I have that thing right now. Fox Weather doesn't show any watches, but warnings like severe thunderstorms or tornadoes. That's full. So we're gonna stay on the air and try to relocate one of these cameras to relocate the tornado. I don't know where it is. Probably is on US 1 near Hellard or something. Maybe it's off of the US 1 or something. It says it was located over Ocean Way or near Jackson International Airport, moving west at 60. I think probably the tornado is actually on the ground by now, or probably is forming right now, so that we can see that thing right now. Let's put this back on motion. See where's that is. The tornado was still there, but it will expire by 11:15. Here's 12:49. Things will start to get clear up by the time we reach to 12 o'clock. Jacksonville. Things will start to get clear. By times. And there goes a voodoo saw right there. There goes that band right there. You can circle that right now. Circle that. You can actually circle that, please. This is near I-75 and near Jasper. Yes, Jasper. There's a little mix in that spot. You can see a little pink. There's a little mix in it. So that's that. the tornado will be near Cahoon, Nassau Village, Ratliff, and Ratliff around 11 a.m. So let's go on to a different traffic camera to see where to locate that particular storm. What about northbound I-95 Airport Road? I know First Coast News. I got a text from on my phone. I got a text for First Coast
News. Text me about that. Tornado warning.
If you are download First Coast News, it's up to you to download it to get yourself some severe weather updates. Yeah, you must download First Coast News. Yeah, you must download First Coast News in Jacksonville. I just got an update about it. The severe weather alert, a tornado warning has now been issued. That's what I. Look at this now. It just changed. It just got parts of it got disintegrated right there. So First Coast News updated me, and there's a tornado warning. That's where that tornado warning is for Central Nassau, parts of Nassau, and parts of Duval counties until 11:15. So that's why we need to look at it right now. So this is I-95 northbound just south of Airport Road. So that's why we need to see that particular storm. So I'm going to keep that camera off for a little while. Alright. So the tornado one has been disintegrated for a little bit. So that particular cell just moved off I-95. That particular cell, that particular circulation right there. You must circle that right now. It might be going toward the 4-1 and 441. You must arrow that right now. So near Harrow, you can see that particular circulation right there. There's a lot of wet spots across 95. So I got a text from First Coast News, and it says the tornado warning that we see right here, that the tornado warning right there for Duval and Nassau counties. They shouldn't say parts of Duval and parts of Nassau. First Coast News until 11:15 a.m. That's why you have that tornado watch in place. And yeah. Alright. So we have that particular tornado warning that is now issued until like 11:50. We have a few minutes until this tornado warning expired. And you can see the rain really coming down on northbound on I-95 just at Airport Road. You can see that particular circulation right there. That's what you're going to have. You can see that particular cell that's moving toward the I-75 corridor near Vadusla. And it's disintegrated a little bit. It's 11:07 right now, so you must be prepared for that. Let's put it on 3D. So you can see that particular cell right there. Let me rewind. Let me rewind back. Yeah, you can see that up top red. That's the topper side, that particular cell. You can see that rain really coming down on that I-95 and Duval, probably Nassau County at Airport Road. So now you can see that polygon did remove its parts. So probably the tornado's actually weakening a little bit when it reached towards the other side. Jacksonville, you're okay, but probably those rain bands will come to you in just a minute. I want to go to my radar and see. I'll tell you what the tornado watch is, because Palm Coast did get that tornado watch, but it did expire. You can see that particular red polygon there till 11:15, and we also have that tornado watch in place. So I'll show you what that. You can't even see the yellow because it's inside is inside one of the warnings that was issued earlier. So we have a recurrent severe flood watch, tornado watch, storm surge warning, and a tropical storm warning. And we also have a Duval County power outages that affect 20,000 of them. So the tornado warning did extend toward parts of Georgia, and we have a high wind warning in effect as well. Alright, let's go back to that. Let's go back to it now. Let me zoom back in. Foxware did restart itself because I left. Hold on, let me push this a little bit. Let me push this. Because of the recap of the I'm gonna do a different camera, like I-95 south of Pekin Park. No connection happening. Alright, this is I-95 just at I-295 northbound. So put on the radar. See that particular tornado warning there. As tonight, we're 11 minutes into the video. We have like, I think 5 minutes left for the tornado warning to expire. And that's why we have that tornado watch in place, because we expect for some tornado. We didn't even get tornadoes in our area. I hope the Sterling squad is okay by that rainfall last night. I got some updates about trees falling down in my area. So the Sterling squad So Sterling Squad, if you need to ask me if there's any trees falling down in your area, you need to ask me in the comments. Oh my, you can see I-295 and I-95. It's getting really shaky because of the heavy rainfall that we're having. The traffic cameras is on your left
Rain
side.
and wind. Getting hard on the left side of the
we just saw a
screen.
lightning flash.
I-95 at
So guys, you can
I-295.
actually see I-295 and I-95 is getting hit really hard by those wind, rain. Yeah. So there's like a couple trees falling down in our area, and probably the tornado is actually on the ground, so you must take shelter right now as this storm approaches you. And this storm will be approaching. This tornado will remain over mainly rural areas, west central Nassau and northwestern Duval counties. So if you do have a basement, you must take cover. You must go there now. Or if you don't have a basement, it's going to be a bathroom, closet, anywhere. Just put some many walls between you and the storm. So that you'll be fine. If you're in the bathroom, you must put a cover. You must put a blanket on you and must put on a helmet. That is the goodest thing that you can do. You can see I-295 and I-95 getting really shaky right there. Let's put it on 3D mode. Wait. Let's stop it right here. So you can see that protection cell right there. Moving. By 11:02, it moves. 11:06, move. 11:08, move. And then move on to the coast. So that's where that tornado warning ended at 1:12 by 11:15. So if there's any more tornado warnings, I'll be back on air as we can get this protection storm right there. I'll be back with my camera. Okay. I-295 north at I-95. The wind.
The warning has expired.
The wind is moving the camera right now. So, where would that tornado want to go? Where'd it go? Oh, where'd it go? Oh, they did. Oh, the National Weather Service did expire it. So, we're good. All right, let's take a look back over Tropical Storm Nicole. So we can see that detection or right there. That's Tropical Storm Nicole right there. Let's put it on 3D. I want to see the eye over there across the waters. That's where that eye is. That's where that eye wall is. So there's a lot of rain over the Tampa, Palm Harbor, St. Petersburg area. Actually, Tampa's getting the most hit because of the heavy rain pan. So it's moving northward over towards Murphy, Tampa. You can see Sarasota right there. Yeah. So that tornado warning expired. That's not the only one that we just saw another tornado warning that did expire like a long time ago, a few hours ago by like 9 a.m. or something that did expire. But we're going to see a lot more tornado warnings than just 2 tornado warnings. We're going to see more tornado warnings. Like that one expired by 11:15, but it probably will expire early than 11:15. Like, yeah. So actually a particular cause, because there's more tornado warnings that are in that area. You can see some you can see a fire truck over there. I think that ramp is closed. You can see I-95 just at US 17 really getting potential down. Wow. Let me go back to no, I want to stay in the Fox Square because I don't want to disappear by me. I don't want to disappear. Alright. So now, as that tornado would expire, if there's a third tornado warning, I'll be back online there. That's it. For you know, Jacksonville has 9 severe weather alerts, 2 tornado watches, 2 flood watches, high surf advisory as well. So guys, if there's any tornado warnings around Duval or Nassau County over the Jacksonville area, I'll be back online as we get into the 10 to 12 o'clock hours. If there's another tornado warning early, I will come back on air online further. But that's it for your severe weather alert of Tropical Storm Nicole. I'll have your update with Tropical Storm Nicole and the newest tornado warning and the tornado watches coming up.